Hello everybody, welcome back to Key Creations. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping by and I hope you will return. So today guys, we are going to do another Christmas wreath, but we're going to do a star wreath. And I got this star wreath form from the Dollar Tree, so I just wanted to try it out and see what we can make with it. And it's it says it's 13.5 inches, so you will need one of those. You will also need some garland, and I have this garland here from Dollar Tree, and it's 15 feet, so I will let you know how many of these garlands, how many you will need. You'll also need some ribbon, so I have gold ribbon here. All of this is from Dollar Tree, I believe, except for this ribbon here is from Hobby Lobby. And these three here are 2.5 inches wide, and this is the little glitter ribbon from Dollar Tree, and it is 5/8 inch wide. So you'll need that. You'll also need some type of like florals or greenery or something like that. I have this little pick here, and I can't remember if I got this from Dollar Tree or Old Time Pottery. I'm not really sure. But I also have this little flower here. I think this came from Michael's, I believe. I really don't know how I'm gonna put it together, but I just pulled out a few things to get started. And I also have these bells here that I got from Dollar Tree, so we might use those. I also have some of this, these balls here, vase fillers, that's what they are. And so I might use the gold ones in there. So you'll also need your pipe cleaners, some scissors, and you will need your hot glue gun and glue sticks. So let me get everything set up guys, and when I come back we'll get started. So what we're gonna do with this garland is we are going to wrap it around the wreath form. So what I did first was I cut it down because it is 15 feet, and when you start wrapping it, you're gonna have to take, you know, the bulk of it through the middle. And so, you know, with it being that long, that's, you know, that'll become kind of hard to do, or, you know, to make it easier, I just cut it down, and then I'll show you, you know, how I start another piece. It's real easy. But we'll just take this in here, and I'm just gonna start anywhere. And so now what you can do is you can just wrap this around like so, and it'll pretty much stay in place. But you can add some hot glue, which, you know, I do. I put a little hot glue here, and then start kind of wrapping it around. And so when we wrap it around, we want to try to kind of overlap it a little bit, not too much, but, you know, we want to, you know, kind of make it full. Okay, so you'll just wrap it like this. And you see what I mean when you have to take this part through the middle. So all we're doing is just wrapping it around. Taking it around like that. And we're just overlapping it a little bit, because, you know, we want to cover it real good, but we don't want to make it too bulky. Okay, so we got that piece, and like I said, you can put you some glue back there, but if you just wrap it, just kind of fold it, tuck it down there, it's gonna stay, you know. Okay, so we'll take another piece. We'll take another piece and we'll just cut it. Cut a little bit off. And we'll just start where we left off. So we'll come here and we'll just wrap it around Just kind of tuck that in. Like I said, you can put the hot glue on it if you want. Then we'll wrap it around like so. And we'll just keep on around the whole wreath just like this. That's all we're gonna do. And I'm gonna get this wrapped and I'll show you what it looks like when I get it all wrapped. Okay, so I finished wrapping the wreath form, and actually I ran out of garland. I ended up using 3 of those garlands, and so when I think about it, I probably didn't have to overlap it as much as I did. So just keep that in mind when you do it. You know, you want to get good coverage, but just, you know, make sure that, you know, you kind of don't overlap it so much. So I think I kind of overlapped it too much on this side. But anyway, so that's how it'll look. And I did go through and use my scissors and kind of trim it a little bit so that it wouldn't be so bulky in these areas. But so up here, you know, I'm gonna put this as the top of the wreath. And so once I get like the bow and all that on there, you won't be able to, you know, see this little spot up here. But so that's how it'll look. And so the next thing that we're gonna do actually is finish our bow. Let's do our bow right quick. So I already started. So I have this start of my bow, and so what I like to do a lot is just kind of layer bows on top of each other. You know, that's how most of the time I do my bows. So I have this one here, and I'm just going to make another one to go on top. So just get your ribbon here, and this is 2.5 inches wide, and all I'm going to do is just kind of measure out I guess 8 inches for my tails. I think that's what I measured out. Okay, and so I'm using my mat to measure, and so I believe I did like 4-inch loops. So what you'll do is come here to 8 inches and just pinch it here, and we'll just pinch it together like this. Okay, and then you want to make sure that the good side of your ribbon is always up. So you'll have to twist it a little bit, but we'll come here to 8, and then we'll make our other loop. And you can always come here and just fix your loop like that. Okay, and then we'll slide it. Make sure we twist it a little bit so we'll have that design side up. Okay, and so we'll measure out another 8 inches, and we'll put it here. Pinch it all together. Okay, and then let's make sure it's twisted. And we'll do another 8 inches here. Let me bring this way. Okay, and then we'll straighten it out. So we got 2 loops on each side, and so we can come here and cut our tails. Okay, and then all I'm gonna do is take this and put it right here on top. Okay, and then take my pipe cleaner and just tighten it up. Okay, just like that. So you just go back through and just fluff your loops out like so. And there you have it. So now we're gonna figure out like what all we're gonna do to the wreath. I think I'm gonna use, let's see, I think I'm gonna take these bells here and kind of put it in the middle of the bow like this. Put it between the pipe cleaner and just twist it onto the bow like so. Okay, and then I'll take that pipe cleaner, pull that in like so. So we'll have something like this. And then what you want to do for your ends is you want to dovetail them. So you'll fold it over, and then you'll take your scissors and cut down, and you'll have that V detail. And so we're going to do that for all of our tails. Okay, so we have that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to place this on the wreath. Okay, I want to get that on first and see how it looks before I do anything else. So I think what I'm going to do is put this bow somewhere at the top here. I got it in there where I want it. So I'm going to come here on the back, and I am going to just kind of wrap it, just kind of twist it back here and wrap it around the bar back here like that. Okay, so I come here on the front and just kind of play around with my bow and fluff it some more. Let's see. All right. So I don't know if I want to do anything else to it. I think it looks really cute, really pretty like this. I mean, we could put some of those vase fillers on there, but I don't think you need them. So I think this is gonna be it. Okay, I'm gonna fluff this out a little bit more and play around with these tails. I'll probably cut them a little bit more, and then I'll show you what it looks like all completed. Okay guys, so here is the wreath all completed, and I did decide to just keep it simple and with the bow and the little bells on there. And also I took that that glittery gold ribbon and I made a hanger. All I did was tie it at the top in a knot and just threaded it through the top of the wreath frame, and so that's our hanger. And so guys, this wreath is really inexpensive to make. Everything is from Dollar Tree, and also it didn't take that long to make either. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you would please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, and have a blessed day.